Write a program that adds the content of a block of memory using DAD instruction. The block length is stored at 25FFH and the starting address of the block is at 2600H. Store the 2-byte result at the end of the block. Here, when DAD instruction is to be used, at that time we can use BC or DE register pair or HL register pair, BC, DE or HL register pair. When DAD B is executed, content of BC added to HL, result is stored in HL. When DAD D is executed, content of DE added to HL, result is stored in HL. And when DAD H is executed, content of HL added to HL and result is stored in HL. This is related to the DAD instruction. Now we are going to add here content of DE with HL register pair. That means when content of DE is to be added with HL register pair, the initial value of HL register pair should be 0000 and the content of D register should be 00 and you have to take the number in register E. That means whatever the numbers are there from 2600 onwards, that numbers you have to take in register E and the content of register D should be 00. The only register pair remains to point the memory location is BC. That means you have to use register pair BC to point the memory location. Now let's go for the program. Alexa H0000, the content of HL becomes 0000. Now you have to take the counter, how many times the content of register or contents of memory are to be added, that is called as pointer, that is in 25FF. Here DE and HL are used to add the content of register pair using DAD. That means only remaining register pair is BC. Therefore LXI be 25FF. In B you will get 25, in C you will get FF. Now LDAXB, take the number from 25FF to accumulator. The content of accumulator becomes 04. That means you have to add 4 contents. Consecutive memory locations are there and from that number you have to add. Now you have to go to the next memory location 2600. Therefore, before that you have to move this counter to register D. Move A to D. Counter is shifted to register D. Next, go to the next memory location INXB. Here INXB, it becomes 2600. Now the number is to be taken from that memory location to the accumulator. Therefore again LDAXB, the number from this memory location is brought to accumulator 27. This number is to be shifted to register E. This number is to be shifted to register E. Therefore move A to E. Move A to E. Now when we add content of DE with HL, the DE in D register, the number should be 00. The counter is in register D. That counter should be shifted to somewhere else. The remaining register is only A. Therefore move D to A. Counter is again brought to accumulator. MVID 00, the content of register D becomes 00. Content of register D becomes 00. And in register E, already we brought the number which is to be added, that is 27. DAD D, here here 0000 plus 0027 is added, the content of HL becomes 0027. Here one number is added, you have to decrement the counter, therefore counter is decremented by 1. Here counter is not 0, here counter becomes 3. That means till you have to add the 3 numbers. For that purpose, here jump not 0 up, go to the label up. Whatever instruction is there at that memory location 2707, that instruction is to be executed. Again, counter is to be taken to register D. Same procedure is repeated. How this procedure gets repeated, this is explained here. Here initially counter is there in accumulator, that is shifted to register D, that is step 1. The BC register pair indicates the memory. From that memory, number is brought to accumulator, that is step 2. This number is to be taken to register E because we are going to add content of DE register pair. The counter at present in register D, that is to be brought again to accumulator. This is the 4th step. And here DE we are going to add, the content of D should be 00, therefore MVID 00 and then DAD D. After adding the content of DE with HL, the counter should be decremented by 1. The counter is in register A, it gets decremented by 1. When it is not equal to 0, the same set of instructions, whatever instructions we performed just now, whatever instruction I explained just now, the same set of instruction is to be performed again. That means whatever the number is in accumulator, that is counter, it is taken to D. BC gives the memory location, bring the number to A. From A, take the number to E. From D, take the number to accumulator. Make D equal to 00, the number present in E. Add content of DE in HL. This procedure gets repeated till the counter becomes 0. When counter becomes 0, it means we reaches to the memory location 2603. All number gets added. The next step, when counter becomes 0, INX B. INX B, it means it becomes 2604. It becomes 2604. Here you have to take the number from low order register pair. L is brought to accumulator and result from that accumulator is stored to this memory location. Again INX B, it becomes 2605. Whatever the number is there in H register, it is brought to accumulator and that accumulator is stored at 2605. Thus we get the addition in consecutive memory location 2604 and 2605. This part is important, how the counter is shifted to D and how the counter is again brought to accumulator. A to D, BC gives the memory, brought the accumulator, from accumulator to register E, counter from D to again accumulator and D is made 00. This part is important. Here the same program is already entered in the microprocessor kit. I will just increment to the memory location up to 76 up to the end of the program. Here you are getting the contents of memory location. When contents are 00, that number is not displayed, that memory is also not displayed. But you are getting here memory and content of that particular register, okay, or memory. Here increment 00, 00, 01. I will shift this up to 76. That means up to the end of the program. already the program is with you. You can write the program, how to enter the program. That part is already explained to you. Here up to 76 program end at this memory location. It end at this memory location. Now we have already entered the data here. Reset exam memory 25FF, length of the block, first number, second number, third number and fourth number. And result is at consecutive memory location. At present program is not executed, that's why you are getting here 0 0. Execute the program, reset go 2000 and execute the program. Program gets executed. As program gets executed, at the next consecutive memory location you will get the result here, that is highlighted. Here also we can check reset set memory 2604, result is 51 and 02. The addition of the four numbers is 0251. Here we can check the contents of the register. The procedure is known to you. Register A, register B, register C, register D, register E, H, L, memory, stack pointer and program counter. Now the same program can be explained here with the another microprocessor kit. Here you are having the program. I will execute the program step by step. The first step, all contents becomes 0. Here I will make 0 and I will execute the program directly. After execution of the program, you will get the result as 51 and 02. That means 02, 51, 0 flag is set and auxiliary carry flag is set.